Hi everybody, back with another YouTube video. If you're not, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, and turn the notification bell. And I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in a really long time. But don't worry guys, because I'm going to start posting a lot more now that it's summer. And today I have, you're probably like, oh my god, I have another squishy that I want to show you. But like, I haven't done a squishy video in such a long time. It's been a long time and I haven't gotten a new squishy lately. So, the new squishy that I got, of course at the different mall, of course, that's right. I like all my squishies. I don't use Amazon anymore. Sorry, Amazon. I have a unicorn cupcake squishy. Now, one of the things that got me most attracted in the squishy was the metallic colors on the icing and like how neatly it looks. Like, and this too, that looks really pretty. And the horn's cute too. And for the first squish of the day, not of the day, for the video. And like, it's actually pretty squishy, to be honest. My fingerprints are going in it. And unicorn lovers out there, just go to the Deptford Mall, go to the squishy stand. It's near the Starbucks, near Claire's, on the other side. And then you'll find it there. And then this is a full squish. And like, it's pretty squishy itself. I could literally just like watch this and like squish it all day. I like the horn. But my most favorite part is like this pink part right here. Blue. So it's pretty. I'm not a big fan of the yellow and the blue together. But there's no orange. And no red. Well, like, it kind of is because pink is just another shade of red. If you didn't know that already. Now, like, the quality of the squishies is really good too. Like, I just got it a day ago and like, there's really like not even any defects in it yet. And like, this is kind of like my first like cake or like dessert squishy. My mom wants me to get it a cake, but I really don't want one that much. But this is like, kind of like one. It's a cupcake. A cupcake is basically like a little tiny cake. I'm like, just look at it. It's so cute. And my dad was like all weirded out, like, why does it not have a face? Like, most unicorns have a face. So he was pretty weirded out about that. But anyway, I'm going to do some ASMR with this. Some squishy ASMR. And see how you guys like it. Alright. And the ASMR starts now. And that is it for the ASMR. And that is also it for the video. And if you are not, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, and turn the notification bell. See you all next time. Bye, guys.